Covered up and kitted out, this rapid response team heads to the tiny community of Binjari. COVID found in wastewater tests, sparking fears the territory's outbreak has spread once again.
This is a reminder for everyone. Remoteness does not protect you. The vaccine protects you.
2 new cases, both Indigenous, both contacts of existing cases. A push now on to vaccinate as many vulnerable Territorians as possible.
We've been worried about this coming for a long time, and now it's popped up in the Katherine region. We're still unsure of how far this has spread.
In Robinson River, where COVID quickly spread, the entire community is now at least partially vaccinated. But the latest federal health data shows it's one of the few places Indigenous vaccination rates are at that level. In the Central Desert, only 35% of the Indigenous community is fully vaccinated, while in the Barkly, just over a quarter have received 2 doses. Hesitancy is still rife among many in the community.
I think coronavirus has brought in too much fear, among our people especially.
It's a similar story across the country. In Western Australia, the Premier headed north in a bid to boost numbers.
Past pandemics have resulted in very high death rates amongst Aboriginal people, and we don't want to see that happen this time around.
The divide is clear. The national vaccination rate reached 86.4% today. Compare that to the Indigenous vaccine rate, which sits at 57.6%. As borders begin opening up here in the Northern Territory and across the country, the big concern is what the impact of that could be on some of the more vulnerable Indigenous communities. With vaccination rates as low as 10% in some communities, the impact of COVID could be devastating.
It'll spread like wildfire throughout the community, and we're seeing that Robinson River, unfortunately, and other places. I think we've really got to be on standby.
An uphill battle in a race against time. Kate Ashton, ABC News.